Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Wellness This Way, and we're all about helping you get healthy. And today we're talking about ginger turmeric wellness shots. So let's get going on that recipe.
For this recipe, you'll need a high-powered blender, a measuring cup, a funnel, and an optional strainer, or you can also use a nut bag.
The ingredients are water, avocado oil, black pepper, turmeric, ginger root, oranges, lemon, honey, and you also need small jars for your mixture. So with your blender or your slow juicer, you're going to begin with 1.5 to 2 cups of water, and you'll add your ginger and your turmeric. Keep in mind turmeric does stain, so you want to be careful when handling it. Okay, then you're going to blend it up. All right, now you're going to take that ginger turmeric blend and you're going to strain it. So you can either use your nut bag or a small strainer. And you can see there's a little bit of yellow tinge to this, so if you don't want to stain your utensils, you're going to want to use this nut bag. And you can probably use this nut bag over and over again for this turmeric mixture. So you'll take your strainer and you pour your mixture over that to strain out. After you've strained your ginger and turmeric mixture, then you want to go back to your high-powered blender and you're going to add the next ingredients. So we'll take our lemons, and I usually chop my lemons like this, and I keep the rind on, and I just put them into my blender, like so. And this is an optional ingredient, but you can take some cutie oranges and put them in there as well. You can use up to 3. Add back in your turmeric ginger mixture. And here's where you add, if you want to, some honey. Get some high-quality honey. I usually use Manuka. You don't have to use honey. This is another optional choice. I usually do about a teaspoon. And then you're going to want to add your black pepper. And then this is another optional item, and if you want to add some fat, which also helps break down the turmeric in your body and gives it good absorption, I use a little bit of avocado oil, but you could also use coconut oil if you have that. And again, this is optional. And you're going to want to blend this up. Make sure that your cap is on tightly.
All right, so you need your funnel and your shot glass, or your shot jars, and then you're just gonna go ahead and pour your mixture in. Okay, so be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this, and hit that bell icon for future notifications. See you next time.